Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. Today, life gave me lemons. Now watch how I work it. Dollar Tree white runner that I had from the holidays. Now, this is one of the garden flags, but I liked it because it went along with our theme very nicely. And to that, I'm going to add this white riser. I'm going to add this planter that I already had. And I know you saw this earlier in the season, is a planter that I got from Lowe's off the clearance rack, and that was $4. I'm going to come in with some gold placemats. These bone white linen textured plates, dinner plates that I had already. I got them some time ago from the at-home store on clearance, $12. Come through. I am going to add from the Dollar Tree these dessert plates with the lemon motif on them. And they're actually very pretty. So I'm not sure if you saw that well. Isn't that beautiful? Lovely. I have some gold candlesticks that I got at Goodwill, $1.99 for the set. And to that, I'm going to add just simple white taper candles. Next, I have a glass cloche. I only have one of those. And then I have this small one from Dollar Tree. It's called the High Cloche Dome, and they sell it at Dollar Tree. So to that, I'm going to add one lemon. One in there. And then we will scatter the rest of the lemons around the base of our kickstand. Napkins that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I have some golden white flatware, plastic flatware that I got from the at-home store. And this was actually on clearance as well. I think I paid $4 or $5. I think I'm going to turn it outward. And then we'll do our very nice table setting. And I love the long, slender look of these. Even though they're plastic, they have a very classy look about them. For our glassware today, I have some gold-rimmed martini glasses that I thrifted, full gold-rimmed martini glasses. To add this delicious margarita, lemon margarita, honey, a nice, cool adult beverage. And I just think that my place setting needs a little bit more. And I'm going to take some of these paper lemon napkins, and I'm going to put them in a gold Dollar Tree napkin ring, just to give our place setting just a little bit more. Because you know I'm extra, honey. Ain't no sense in lying. And I just kind of accordion folded these a little bit to give them like that little fan effect on the plate. But not least, I bought these because I was going to do artificial flowers, but my real flowers look so pretty. So I think I'll just tuck these in. It's trailing. Well, that is it. I hope you like this tablescape, and I hope it gives you inspiration to create one in your home. Thank you so much for watching. Please stop by our host channel and show her some love. Thank you again for watching, and you be blessed. I'd like to thank the hosts of this collab, Antoinette of Decorating Ant's Place and her co-host, Simple Yet Chic, for hosting this fun vignette collaboration. Life gave me lemons. Thank you so much, ladies.